Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest messages on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here and you go to next window here, then you just go down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here in this window, then you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window, then you click here on Pinterest and it's going to take you to app info window here, then you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you just go down, then you click here on storage and you come to storage window, then you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, then you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish now you are get it, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Pinterest app settings.